I was an international student just like you, and I was missold by an agency. This inspired me to create Edvoy, an app to empower students like you to navigate the world of studying abroad seamlessly. Find a course, university, and destination that matches your budget and academic qualification. Apply now. You'll be assigned with a dedicated counselor in the app to chat and book a free remote counselling at a time suitable to you. You can also track your applications and get notified on all important dates and deadlines. Our expert counsellors are there to guide you through the stressful application process, applying for visas and finding accommodation all throughout your journey. Refer your friends to support their dreams and earn at the same time. At Edvoy, we're not just an app, we are a family dedicated to your success. I had a dream to study abroad, like many of you, to broaden my horizons and unlock endless opportunities. But I was confused with countless choices and limited knowledge to make an informed decision. That made me vulnerable, and recruitment agencies took advantage. This inspired me to create Edvoy. Join us today and download our app.